This is PEMA Symaster Pro. It is a new programmable welding positioner and the latest addition to the PEMA workpiece handling positioner family. With PEMA Symaster Pro, you get the same engineering benefits and positioning technology as with our previous Symaster family positioners. But this has been perfected with modern digitality. Whether your task is welding, assembly or surface treatment, this has been designed to make things easy. The solid and stable frame has a streamlined outlook. The electric cabinet with external connectors is integrated into the positioner frame and is well covered. The grounding connectors are easily accessible, and the table plate has T-screws for different clamping tools. This positioner features broad 3-axis movements, safe hydraulic adjustment of height and tilt, and a precise motorized rotation of table plates. Users and workpieces are different in size, but finding an ergonomic working position with Symaster Pro is not a problem thanks to its easy and precise adjustments. With 750 to 70,000 kilos, PEMA Symaster Pro offers the strongest and largest range of positioner on the market. Furthermore, each positioner features unique loading curves for safe workpiece handling. Safety is our priority, so many built-in systems in mechanical design, hydraulics and electronics come as standard. The Pro features our new digital technology brings Industry 4.0 to your production now and opens a whole new world of possibilities. The program device is as close and as easy as using your mobile phone or tablet device. And this is how you use it. Download the program by reading the Wi-Fi and the browser address on the sticker on the machine frame. And the visual interface will appear on your mobile device. With the visual interface, you can create work cycle programs. You can simulate and you can save them for later use. You have access to 1,700 different work cycle positions for 35 different workpieces. You can import or export pre-made work cycles. You can add information and notes like welding parameters, fastening torques under each work cycle step. And they will be visual on display later and also for other users. Your maintenance can check the status of key components like inverter on the machine, and they can read instruction manuals or check the electric diagrams. With Symaster Pro, you get the standard features of our Symaster positioners. Broad 3-axis movements, strong, easy-to-use machine with high-quality components. In addition to this, you can use your mobile device for programming of the work cycles and optimize your working positions, improve your quality, and most of all, boost your productivity. At PEMAMEC, we know that by innovating and developing smart automation, we help manufacturers to make more. Are you ready to make your workshop digital? Start by using PEMA Symaster Pro series and make things easy.